So I've been thinking, what's the chances of catching a fish with a woody? Let's go and give it a try. Okay, the maiden cast of woody. Here he is. Wind's come up a little bit, so we'll give it a try, see how we go. All right, here he goes. Come on, Woody. Tell you what, I think I felt a touch then. Oh, jeez. Oh, Woody's on. Woody's on. Woody, what have you got?
Woody.
Something's got him. Something's got Woody. Buzz, go after him. Woody, what have you caught? Javelin fish. Javelin. Woody caught a javelin. Woody. Good man! Woohoo! Hey! Buzz wants to have a go. Oh man, congratulations, Woody. You're a winner. Let's see if you can catch another one. Well done, mate. That's so funny. Look at that. That's not a bad fish for Woody. Well done, mate. Oh, you're grunting away. All right, going to cast him close to the reef here, so this could end in tragedy. He could get snagged, so let's see what happens. Ah, Woody, show us your magic. Get down there and prospect. Oh, Woody. He's on again. Woody, fish number 2. Oh, if he comes in. Oh, oh, jeez. Oh. Woody. This is ridiculous. Oh man. So there's the answer to that question. Yes you can. Yes you can catch a fish with a woody.